Now in this last practice set of 3D modeling, we are going to create this and this 3D models. So let's start with this one. So here we are having a base plate of dimension 66 by 42. So we will start from there. Create a sketch, select a horizontal plane, use a center rectangle. The same drill. Here we are having 66 and this is 42. So let's make this 66 tab. This one is 42. Finish the sketch. Now see how much thickness this base plate is having. It's 12. Just press pull up to 12 millimeter. Now the foundation has been laid, and on the basis of this we can create the rest of the model. So now here, as you can see, there is a chamfer, a equal distance chamfer to be precise, of 12 and 12 millimeter. So let's create a chamfer. It's in both the ends. Control, select these two edges, go to modify, chamfer, provide 12, and just check if it's the type is equal distance or not. It is equal distance. Then what we are having this particular section of the model. So here we can approach this with two methods. One is we can directly create a sketch involving all this, or we can just make a rectangle, extrude it outwards and provide a fillet of radius 21 here. Now let's see what is the distance from this to this that we have to see. So as you can see in the sketch itself, it's this height is 27. The radius of the circle or the fillet basically is 21. So 21 plus 27 would be, let's do it here itself. Let's make a rectangle. This is 12. Let's provide it 12 here. Press enter. Finish the sketch. Press pull. Now here you can directly write as 60 minus 21 plus 27, because already 12 is there. So we can directly write here as 60 minus 12. That can also work. 60 minus 12. And then we are having a fillet of radius 21. Let's provide fillet. Press F. Control, select both. 21. And this section is also ready. Now what we are having here is a rib. So for creating a rib, as we all know, we need to create a sketch. But as you can see closely here, it is not touching the circle, or it's not in any prominent position from where we can directly start a sketch and snap the line command to there. So what we can do, we should find the value of its distance from the circle end. It's 42. The rib is itself 42 in its extreme height. So 60 minus 42, that we can take minus 12. That means this 42 plus 12 would be like 54, and overall height is 60. So this would be 60 minus this plus this, that means 54. So this should be 6. So what we will do, we will create a line from the center 6 millimeter. Then click on finish the sketch. Now go to home view. Let's switch on the origin. Select this one. This is obviously in the center. That was the reason why we have created center rectangle. Now let's create a sketch over this one. Just make a line anywhere. Click enter. Now make these 2 points, that is the point that is 6 millimeter below point and the point of start point of the line coincident, also this and this point coincident. Now we are all set to create the rib. Just create the rib, select the profile, and we are all done. Just hide the sketch. Now let's save it. Let's make it practice exercise 10. Now the next 3D model is this one. Here the base plate here is 98 by 42 and thickness is 20. So let's start with a sketch in the horizontal plane. Let's create a center rectangle again. This time we are having 98 by 42. So this is 98 tab 42. Finish the sketch, extrude it upwards up to 20. Now this is the base plate on the basis of which we can create the whole model. Now here we can see there is a cut, but the dimension of the cut is not specified, but we are having certain reference dimensions on the basis of which we can make this cut. It is like 14 from this side and the thickness of the cut is like 9. No, it's 6. Alright, so what we will do, we will select this face. Let's orient it properly. Select this face, 2-point rectangle. Just create a rectangle of any dimension. Press tab, just provide this one 6. Then invoke the dimensions by pressing D in the keyboard. Select this one, select this line, it's 14. Okay, again select this one, select this line, let's make it 14. Now we are good to go. Select the profile, right click, press pull, make it this side and all. The operation is obviously cut. Next what we are having here is this particular section. Again we are going to use the same procedure. We are going to make a complete extrusion up to this particular point and then we can provide a fillet of radius 21. So it's like 21 plus 21, that means 42, and the thickness of this particular section is 14. So what we will do, we will select this face. Yeah, you can change the type of rectangle. You don't have to always go here and change the type. Whenever you are selecting any kind of rectangle in the sketch palette, you can get the options of changing it. This goes for circle also and polygon also. Let's say it's a center rectangle, thickness is 14. Just click and finish the sketch. Select this portion, press pull, and it's 41 plus 14, 42. Alright, now let's provide the fillet of 21. Press F in the keyboard and provide the fillet. Press OK. Then we are having a circle of diameter 20 in the midpoint of the radius of the fillet. So let's create a circle, trace the midpoint of the, or basically it's a center point. So center point looks different. A midpoint is like a triangle, a triangular icon as I told earlier, but the center point is a circular one like this. So from here it's 20. Finish the sketch, go to home, select this, press pull outwards, press OK. And then we are having like a 12 diameter circle which is 21 millimeter from this particular edge. So let's provide it. That's it. Let's place it anywhere, then we can provide the dimension. It is 12 and it is 21 from this particular edge. Press D. This is 21. Select this, select the circle. Okay, it's 21 itself. And then we have to provide one more reference, otherwise it will be like anywhere. So it's 24 from this particular edge without the fillet basically. So it's like 24. So finish the sketch now. Select this, press pull outwards. And the same thing is, or basically the same feature is in this side also. So what we can use? We can use the mirror command. Select the feature, select the mirror plane. It is exactly in the center. So let's select this one. Click OK. And it's created. I think the 3D model is approximately complete. Just for a minute detail, that is of, I can see some fillet over here and here, and this is definitely fillet and this is definitely fillet. So let's provide fillet in these 4 edges of radius 5. Select this, control, select this, control, select this, press F, fillet of 5. Now we are officially done with this particular 3D model.